In this video, we are going to show you how to build a website with Manus AI from scratch. So with Manus AI, you can build a website from scratch. All you need to do is prompt it and how you want your website built, what's the platform, just put as many details as possible, even if you don't have any experience in building websites or coding. So as you can see here, we already have a simple prompt here. So I want you to create a website for me for a corner thrift store that sells small antique trinkets, vintage clothing, vintage toys, and more. Make it for WordPress so I can just plug and play it there once you're done. So there are several things here. So the good thing about Manus AI is that even this simple prompt, it's going to create it as close to what I want as possible. It's going to choose the right fonts, the right color scheme, the right color palette, the right visuals and aesthetic, and it's going to make it and explain to me afterwards why it chose it. It chose what it chose. And the good thing with Manus AI is that I'm just going to press enter so we can start. Uh, the good thing about Manus AI is that it just doesn't do lines of code. It tests it over and over and over again to make sure every bits and pieces that it has, every code is right? So that's the good thing about this. So as you can see here, if we look towards our somewhat bottom above the 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 box where we type, this is going to be the Manus AI computer. So what this is this is where it actually creates code. So if we click on this, it's going to slide from the right. It's going to show it, right? So as you can see here, there we go, right? And again, creating a website takes a long time. It's going to take several minutes, maybe 20 minutes, maybe 30, maybe even an hour, depending on how complex you want your website to be. So as you can see, it says live, right? It's showing, live how what it's doing. So as you can see, it says here generate store logo and hero/banner images, right? This is going to be your task progress. There you go. It's creating, everything as is. And as you can see, we are now done. So your WordPress theme, the corner curio is ready. You'll find the theme zip file and detailed setup instructions attached. Please follow the instructions to install and activate your new vintage inspired thrift store website. So as you can see here, it created me the zip file that I could just plug and play on WordPress, and it actually created a document on how to actually do it. And if I click on this, these are all the documents that are included. So it has an index, footer, header, function, style, CSS. So everything is here for you, and it's that easy. But if you just want to create like a more complex website, it might take more time. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on next video.